Stretching from Tadotsu in Kagawa Prefecture, cutting straight through the heart of the Shikoku Mountains, and finally arriving at Kubokawa in Kochi Prefecture, lies the JR Dosan Line. It is a vital artery pulsing through Shikoku's rich, untamed wilderness, traversing steep mountain passes, carving through breathtaking gorges, and ultimately revealing the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean. Today, we trace the majestic silhouettes of the limited express trains that grace this historic railway. From Kurokawa to Sanuki Saida, within Kagawa Prefecture. Leaning heavily into the bend with the distinctive, powerful tilt of a tilting train, the limited express Nanpu sweeps elegantly through the curve. The train now climbs towards the prefectural border at the Inohana Pass. With a resounding roar, it surges past Sabojiri Station, a remote, secluded halt renowned across the nation, nestled within a remarkable switchback. Cresting the mountains and crossing into Tokushima Prefecture, the landscape suddenly unfurls, revealing the sweeping, majestic flow of the Yoshino River. Gliding across the grand Yoshino River Viaduct is a vibrantly yellow Anpanman Train, bringing a touch of playful warmth and vivid color to the journey across Shikoku. Following in its wake across the bridge, in stark contrast to the hurried Nanpu, is the sightseeing train, the Shikoku Mannaka Sennen Monogatari, the tale of a millennium in the heart of Shikoku. Conceived as a refined, leisurely excursion through Japan's primordial landscapes, its brilliantly colored carriages, which reflect the changing seasons, carve a beautiful trajectory against the lush emerald backdrop of the Yoshino River Gorge. Along these very tracks, where express trains once dashed relentlessly, it now takes a far gentler pace, allowing passengers to savor over 1,000 years of history and nature. A new philosophy of railway travel breathes life into this timeless scenery. We arrive at Awa Ikeda Station, a vital transport hub nestled within a mountain basin. Across the expansive railway yard, the deep, resonant thrum of diesel engines echoes through the air. This is the great crossroads linking the ancient provinces of Awa, Sanuki, and Tosa. Here, at a station that has seen countless travelers come and go through the ages, northbound and southbound limited express trains briefly meet. The time is just gone midday. Waiting is the 1223 northbound Nanpu, destined to cross the Great Seto Bridge towards Okayama on the mainland. Beside it sits the 1224 southbound Nanpu, poised to tackle the arduous Shikoku Mountains en route to Kochi. Two trains bearing the same proud name, sharing a fleeting moment of respite at this mountain junction before parting ways. The faint scent of diesel exhaust lingering on the platform, the quiet, palpable anticipation of the passengers. As they depart once more, engines roaring to life towards their respective destinations, the scene stirs the very soul, evoking the quintessential romance of the railway journey. Leaving Awai-Keita behind, the train plunges deeper into the Shikoku Mountains, venturing into a dramatic gorge sculpted over millennia by the Yoshino River. It crosses the Shirakawa Viaduct at Koboke, forging ever onwards into the heart of the wilderness. Here, the rugged, sheer rock faces of Oboke contrast stunningly with the emerald green waters below. Cutting through this magnificent vista, a red Anpanman Train glides across the iron bridge, striking a brilliant, vibrant contrast against the natural canvas. The gentle murmur of the river mingling with the rhythmic clatter of the train echoing through the valley. This seamless harmony of grand nature and the railway is, without doubt, one of the greatest highlights of the Dosan Line. Nestled quietly within the folds of the gorge lies Oboke Station. The limited express Nanpu glides smoothly into this station, a vital hub for travelers exploring the area. After a fleeting moment of tranquility, the train sets forth once more, braving the deep, unforgiving ravines. Crossing into Kochi Prefecture, the journey continues from Toyonaga to Otaguchi. The track clings precariously to the steep mountain slopes. Utilizing its tilting mechanism to the absolute fullest, the train weaves left and right, powering its way along the edge of the valley. Having crossed the rugged Shikoku Mountains, the journey brings us to the heart of the southern province of Tosa. A local train slowly glides into Kochi Station, warmly welcomed by the Whale Dome, a massive roof crafted from local cedar. The gentle and somewhat nostalgic engine rumble of this local diesel train echoes pleasantly across the elevated platform. Suddenly, the endless expanse of the Pacific Ocean sweeps into view as the scenery outside the window shifts through its myriad, breathtaking guises. The trains continue their unwavering journey today, rushing bravely through the magnificent, untamed nature of Shikoku. And finally, Kubokawa, the terminus of the Dosan Line. It is the end of a nearly 200-kilometer railway journey from Tadotsu and the terminal that connects to the even deeper natural wonders of Shikoku, such as Shimanto. Shaking the tranquil air of the station, the limited express slowly sets into motion with a powerful engine roar. The railway journey across Shikoku continues from here to its next destination.